Hello, CIS405. This is our group assignment part 2. We are group 11, which is myself, Tori, Mira, Sebastian, and Noah.
For our presentation, we decided to discuss the educational technologies industry, and our organization is Quizlet. What is Quizlet? It's a study tool that combines AI, user-generated content, and community-based learning. It's also known for fostering a learning environment that is creative, engaging, all while remaining up to date on all subjects across all education levels. The business challenge that we found was Quizlet's loss of customers due to its paywalls. The main question is, how can Quizlet improve user retention and keep learners actively engaged? Quizlet is facing a falling rate of customer retention and an overall website mismanagement situation. There are plenty of times in my own personal experience with Quizlet that I can recall where there's an ad blocking part of my definition or formula, or there is a random paywall that pops up when I'm trying to study for my test. Both of these are slight inconveniences. There are also study tools on Quizlet that are really helpful, but normal users like myself only have access to a sample of these capabilities. If we wanted to get full access, we would need to pay for those services. However, I'm not the only one with these experiences. On the side, we can see 2 reviews that express the same concerns as myself.
So a little bit of background on Quizlet and what we are going to be exploring with the dashboard we created. Our overarching question is, what user behaviors and pattern drive retention on Quizlet? And this really factored into the visualizations we made with Power BI. That was our guiding question. The data set we used was team created, as Quizlet does not have publicly accessible data. So our user activity Excel spreadsheet had 50 sampled users, and the key measures on that Excel sheet included the number of weekly study sessions per user, and then the average study session duration in minutes for each user. The essential dimensions within this spreadsheet were the preferred Quizlet study modes, which could be something of learn, match, test, flashcards, whether they use the mobile platform or the desktop platform, so which one was more popular of the two, and then the user status. Is that user still active or not? All of this factors into the visualizations we created that we will talk about next.
Looking at the first graph on the left, we can see there's a substantial difference between the study sessions by active or account holders and non-active users. Using rewards and promotions to encourage new members and incentivize current members to consistently use the platform will drive success in the future. We see among active members, match mode and test mode are used the most, about 65% of all activity, but looking at the matrix, it seems match is popular on mobile devices due to its simple convenience. The amount of minutes on average per session are not similar among mobile and desktop platforms, meaning we should look to enhance our software allowing for simple and similar use across both of these. The average study time is fairly consistent among all modes, so promoting why potentially using multiple modes in one session could enhance understanding and in turn drive up test scores will increase our average session time.
Our final recommendations are to encourage users to build consistent weekly study routines through notification reminders and streak rewards, and this would just have to be the same for mobile as it is on desktop. We also would like to promote longer session engagement by enhancing interactive modes like match and flashcards, or implement new modes of study to retain engagement. And we would like to optimize experience for the desktop platform while enhancing mobile usability, since there was some discrepancy between mobile and desktop usage. And we want to really optimize those higher retention modes. So flashcards and match were the highest used modes. We want to optimize those the most, as well as implement potentially new modes of study. And in conclusion, by focusing on extended engagement and mode platform optimization, Quizlet can significantly boost their user retention and overall learning outcomes. Thank you.